Nestled at the northern edge of the Alps, Salzburg is one of Austria's most captivating cities, renowned for its Baroque architecture, musical legacy, and dramatic mountain backdrop. Birthplace of Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, and the filming location for The Sound of Music, Salzburg seamlessly fuses artistic heritage with breathtaking natural beauty. Whether you're into history, a music lover, or an outdoor enthusiast, Salzburg offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Salzburg's history stretches back to Roman times, when it was known as Juvabum. The name Salzburg, meaning salt castle, refers to the region's wealth generated by salt mining in the Middle Ages. By the 8th century, the city became an important ecclesiastical centre under the rule of prince archbishops who turned Salzburg into a cultural and religious hub of the Holy Roman Empire. In the 18th century, Salzburg gave the world one of its greatest musical geniuses, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. The city later became part of the Austrian Empire, and eventually modern Austria, after a series of territorial shifts during the Napoleonic War and World War I. Now let's move on to places to visit in Salzburg. First of all, Hohensalzburg Fortress. Perched on a hill overlooking the city, this massive medieval fortress offers panoramic views and insight into Salzburg's military past. Next, Salzburg Cathedral, a Baroque masterpiece where Mozart was baptized, featuring stunning frescoes and historic organs. Next, Mozart's Birthplace. Located on Gedrige Gasse, this museum provides a deep dive into the life and work of the city's most famous son. Now on to Mirabell Palace and Gardens. Known for its symmetrical and floral beauty, these gardens were famously featured in The Sound of Music. Next, Gedrige Gasse, a bustling old town street lined with wrought iron shop signs, quaint boutiques and charming cafes. Hellbrunn Palace, famous for its trick fountains and whimsical water features, this 17th century palace is a favourite among families. Now moving on to popular day trips from Salzburg. Hallstatt, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This picturesque lakeside village is just 2 hours away and perfect for a scenic day trip. Eagle's Nest, Kilsteinhaus, located near Berchtesgaden, Germany. This mountaintop retreat offers historical insights and stunning views. Werfen Ice Caves is Riesenwald, the largest ice cave system in the world, accessible from Werfen about 40 kilometers south of Salzburg. Then there's Salzkammergut Lake District. Explore clear, crystal-like lakes like Wolfgangsee, Fuchsee and Mondsee, ideal for boating, hiking and relaxation. Salzburg is known for many sports. FC Red Bull Salzburg is Austria's top football club and regular competitor in the UEFA Champions League, playing at the Red Bull Arena. EC Red Bull Salzburg are Salzburg's ice hockey team, a powerhouse in Austrian and European hockey, offering high energy matches during the winter months. Salzburg is a gateway to Alpine hiking, skiing and mountain biking. The Untersberg mountain, just south of the city, is popular for casual and advanced adventurers. Now let's talk about Salzburg's transport links. By air, you've got Salzburg Airport or Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart Airport, which connects to major European cities, including London, Frankfurt and Vienna. By train, you've got the Hauptbahnhof, which is the main train station, which offers regular rail service to Vienna, which is about 2.5 hours, or Munich, 1.5 hours, and then beyond. In terms of public transport, there is an efficient network of buses and trolleybuses, making getting around the city easy and affordable. Salzburg also encourages bike travel, with many rental stations and cycling routes. Getting around by car. While the city centre is best explored on foot or bike, renting a car is useful for day trips to the mountains and lakes. Times of year to visit Salzburg. In spring, April to June, you've got milder weather, blooming gardens and fewer tourists, making spring ideal for sightseeing. Summer, July to August, is peak tourist season with warm temperatures and major events like Salzburg's Festival, a world-famous celebration of classical music and theatre. In autumn, September to October, there are fewer crowds and golden alpine landscapes. A great time for hiking and photography. Winter, December to February, there are magical Christmas markets, snow-covered scenery and nearby ski resorts, making Salzburg a winter wonderland. Overall, Salzburg is more than just Mozart and mountains. It's a city where art, history and nature harmonise in perfect pitch. Whether you're wandering through cobbled alleys, admiring Baroque masterpieces, or sipping hot chocolate view of the Alps, Salzburg promises an enriching escape into Austria's cultural soul. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.